Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to track a project income or cost on QuickBooks, then this video is for you. So first you have to do is log into your QuickBooks account, and if you're running a project or if the project is running on your company, then and if you want to know that if it's a profitable or you're going to lose, then you can go to the projects that QuickBooks help you to track the profitable margins from here. Now once you are a project, you can create one here, so you can simply click on add your first project. So once you have clicked on it, you can add the project name from here, like anything, any project you want, like website, web development. I've added it, and here's customer here, that who's the preferred. You can add the customer from here that you are working with, or the client you can add. So after that you can add the start date from here and the end date from here, so you can add the end date. So I have added it. The project status is in progress, that means it is on the on development here. Now you can add the notes as you want, so like this. Once you have added the note here, add just for this project here, and the custom fields from here, like manage custom fields. You can add more custom fields if you want, so simply click on save. So once you have saved your project here, you can find it will help you to find this income from here and the cost from here. So here if you click on the project, you can find the income margin and the cost margin and the profit margin in this section, and open invoices and overdue invoices also from here. And also from here you can find a mathematical calculation, that is total income will be and the total cost. So total cost will be deducted from the total income, and you can find the total profit or loss. If it's minus, this digit is in minus, then you can find it as a loss. So once you have find it, you can find the transaction or time activity. You can find the time activity for your projects, and here is the project report, so where you can find project profitability. You can simply click on view, where you will be able to see the project income and cost from here. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.